Your manifestations are not working because you're doing instead of being. The thing. If you're a woman content creator, you can't just do. You have to be. And I'm not talking about becoming, I mean being. So you might be asking yourself, like, okay, you got my attention. What the heck does being mean? Good. Now let's have a real conversation. See, the thing is that I used to think that I had to do all the things to manifest the life, the desire, and everything in between of what I wanted. And that's just not the case at all. I have this theory, all strategies work. And if that is true, that means it doesn't matter what you're doing. It matters who you are doing it. I'm going to be coming for the manifestation gurus on here. Because they'll tell you, say all the affirmations and journal your thoughts and close your eyes and just visualize. It's not going to work. It's not going to work because I tried it. And you might be asking yourself, well, you just didn't do it right. That could be true. I believe in that. Not always, but it could be something that happened. However, it wasn't that I was doing it wrong because, for your information, I was listening to these people. But I wasn't the person who was the person who had everything. And so let's just say, for instance, because this is what I teach, is that you want to start your YouTube channel and you start creating content and it goes nowhere and continues to flop. And you keep creating content and you keep taking action and it continues to flop. And you optimize it, you put all the tags, you do the right titles, you do the right thumbnails, you follow all the advice from a mentor, and it continues to flop. What manifestation guru can explain that? You're doing all the right things, right? But particularly my women creators, my women who want to be out here living their soft girl era, their soft woman era, it's not about what you're doing, honey. That is just not our superpower. The essence of who we are is the power in itself. It's literally within that statement. Who you are. Who do you believe you are? Whatever you believe and who you believe to be true is who does the work. So the person who has a lot of fear, the person who doesn't believe in themselves, the person who overthinks everything, as you're saying those affirmations, as you're journaling in your journal, as you're closing your eyes and praying and visualizing that beautiful life, it ain't working because you didn't work. It's not working because of who you are while you're doing it. You're moving from a place of fear. You're also moving from a place of not having. And when you don't have it, you believe that you have to get it. Because it's not what you're doing that's wrong. You're doing the right thing. It's who you are while doing it. So if you want to start that YouTube channel, honey, you got to become that successful YouTuber. You got to create action from a place of like, if I had 1 million subscribers, what would I do? What kind of content would I create? What would I want to share with the world? How would I want to inspire the people who are watching my content? That's what I'm doing right now. And that's what I did back in 2017. I moved as if I was a YouTuber before the identity caught up, because a lot of my movement was, I was like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to try and figure it out. So my advice is like, stop the affirmations, stop the visualization, stop the journaling, and just become the person who has it all. And just watch what happens. Give it time though. If you want more assistance with especially getting started on YouTube and attracting thousands of people to your channel and getting millions of people to watch your videos, I have a training on my page. And I would love to share the mistakes that I made back then that I'm doing differently now and help you do the same. So if you're interested, feel free to check it out. And I hope to see you there.